Now we are going to solve the exercise 5b of quadratic equation. So first question is x to the power 4 plus 5x square minus 36 is equal to 0. So what we have to do is we have to suppose in this type of questions. Okay, so let x square is t. Okay, so to x to the power 4 we can write like x square to the power 2 and 5x square minus 36 is equal to 0. So in the place of x square we can put the value of t. So this is t square, this is 5t and this is 36. Then it became general quadratic equation. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply that c with the coefficient of t square so that we can get the value and we divide that values in such a way that we get 5. Okay, now so 36 is multiplied with 1 and it becomes 36, and when it divided into 9 into 4, so after subtracting we get 5. Okay, so this is t square plus 90 minus 4t minus 36 is equal to 0. If we take common t, then we left with t plus 9. If we take common 4, then we left with t plus 9, which is equal to 0. If we take common t plus 9, then we left with t minus 4, which is equal to 0. So here either this quantity is 0 or this quantity is 0. So t square, t is 0 and t is equal to minus 9, and next is t minus 4 is equal to 0, t minus 4 is equal to 0. This means t is equal to 4. So either this quantity is 0 or this quantity is 0, but we know that t is nothing but t is x square and x square is equal to minus 9, which is not possible है ना. किसी भी बेटा स्क्वायर, कोई भी स्क्वायर टर्म जो है नेगेटिव टर्म के बराबर नहीं हो सकता. ठीक, हियर एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4, तो यहाँ से हमें x की दो वैल्यू मिलेगी विच इज प्लस माइनस 2. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज बेटा x to the power 4 minus 25x square plus 144 which is equal to 0. So we just suppose let x square is t. So we can write x to the power 4 is x square of square, and this is 25 x square plus 144 is equal to 0. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे बेटा, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर की जगह t पुट कर देंगे. ठीक, सो दिस बिकम t स्क्वायर माइनस 25t प्लस 144 विच इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ अब हमको क्या करना है, इस 144 को टी स्क्वायर के कोफिशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई 144 विद द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ टी स्क्वायर एंड डिवाइड इन सच अ वे दैट वी गेट माइनस 25. सो वी कैन डिवाइड दिस इनटू 16 into 9. ओके, सो दिस बिकम टी स्क्वायर माइनस 16t माइनस 9t प्लस 144 which is equal to 0. If we take common t, then we left with t minus 16. If we take common minus 9, then we left with t minus 16 which is equal to 0. If we take common t minus 16, we left with t minus 9 which is equal to 0. So either this quantity is 0 or this quantity is 0. If this quantity is 0, then t is equal to 16. If this quantity is 0, then t is equal to 9. So we have supposed that x square is equal to 16. So from here we get value x is equal to plus minus 4, and from here x square is 9, so x is equal to plus minus 3. This is our answer. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is beta x minus 2 upon x plus 2 whole square minus 4 x minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Here x is not equal to 2. So let's suppose that let x minus 2 by x plus 2 is t. So this became t square and this became 4t and 3 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply 3 with the coefficient of t square in such a way that we get minus 4. So we multiply 3 with t coefficient of t square, we get 3, and we divide 3 into 1, so we get 4. Okay, so t square minus 3t minus t plus 3 is equal to 0. From here we can take common t, we left with t minus 3. If we take minus 1 common from there, we left with t minus 3, which is equal to 0. If we take t minus 3 common, we left with t minus 1, which is equal to 0. So either this quantity is 0 or this quantity is 0. So from here we get t is equal to 3, and from here we get t is equal to 1. So we know that we had supposed that x minus 2 upon x plus 2 is equal to 3. So we just cross multiply. X minus 2 is equal to 3 times of x plus 2. We had solved this, and 3 is getting multiplied with this, and 3 is getting multiplied with this, so it becomes 6. Now what we have to do is we have to move this x that side, then this x become minus x, and if we move that 2 that side, or we move 6 that side, then this 6 become minus 6. So here it become minus 8, and if we move this x there, then it become minus 2x. If we divide with 2, then we get 4. So x is equal to minus 4 is our answer from this. Okay, from here we can suppose x minus 2 upon x plus 2, which is equal to 1. So if x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2, this will get cancelled out, and we didn't get any answer from this. So our answer is x is equal to minus 4 of this question. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5 is beta 4 into 7x minus 1 by x whole square minus 8 7x minus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 0. So let 7x minus 1 by x is t. So this became 4t square minus 8t plus 3 is equal to 0. So this will get multiplied with 4, then it become 12. So we can divide 12 in such a way that we get 8. So 6 2s are 12. If we add this, then we get minus 8. Okay. So 4t square minus 6t minus 2t plus 3 is equal to 0. From here we can take 2t common. We left with 2t minus 3. If we take minus 1 out of there, then we left with 2t minus 3, which is equal to 0. If we take 2t minus 3 out from there, we left with 2t minus 1, which is equal to 0. So either this quantity is 0 or this quantity is 0. If this quantity is 0, then 2t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 3 by 2. This is our answer. And if this quantity is 0, then 2t is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 by 2. This is our answer. But we know that t is nothing but t is 7x minus 1 by x. Okay, so 7x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2. So we just cross multiply, and when we cross multiply, then this becomes 7x 2 times of 7x minus 1, and this is 3 times of x. This will become 14x minus 2, and this become 3x. If we just subtract, we get 11x, which is equal to 2. If we move to that side, then it becomes positive 2. If we divide with 11, then it becomes 2 by 11. This is our first answer. Okay, and from here we know that 7x minus 1 by x is nothing but which is equal to 1 by 2. Just cross multiply, we get 7x 2 times of 7x minus 1, and here x multiplied by 1 is x. If we just multiply 2 with this, we get 14x minus 2, which is x. If we just move this x that side, then this will become minus x, and subtract from 14x, this will become 13x, and if we move minus 2 that side, then it become positive 2, and x is equal to 2 by 13. This is our answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is what beta? 4x minus 5 into 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So here what we can do is 2 square of x minus 5 into 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write like that: 2x to the power 2 minus 5 into 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here what we can do is we can suppose 2x is equal to t. So this become t square, this become 5t, this become 4 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply that 4 with the coefficient of t square. If we multiply 4 with t, coefficient of t square is become 4, and this will become 4 1 ja 4. This is t square minus 4t minus t plus 4 is equal to 0. From here we can just take common t and we left with t minus 4. If we take common minus 1, then we left with t minus 4 is equal to 0. If we take t minus 4 common from there, we left with t minus 1 which is equal to 0. So either this quantity is 0 or this quantity is 0. So t minus 4 is 0. So from here we get t is equal to 4, and from here t is equal to 1. So we know that t is what? T is 2x is equal to 4. So we can write 4 as a power of 2 which is equal to 2 square. So 2x is equal to 2 square. So after comparing the power, we get the value x is equal to 2. From here we know that 2x is equal to 1 because t is equal to 1 and t is 2x. So here 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 2 to the power 0. If we compare the power, we get x is equal to 0. So this is our answer.